Today I'm going to show you how to upload assignments and projects to the Google Classroom. The first thing you'll see when you log in is your blank desktop. In order to open the internet, we need to log in to our server. On the bottom right-hand corner, you have a green login and a red logout button. I always start by logging out because that ensures I'm starting a new connection with our network server. So once I click log out, it will prompt me that I can log in again. I'll click here and type in my username, which is your student ID, and your password is your personal password that you set up at the beginning of the school year. Once you have that typed in, you can hit authenticate. It should say login successful. If you mistyped something, it will say unsuccessful and you'll be able to log back in. From here, I'm going to go to the Google Classroom. I can click on my top server there and type in Google Classroom, and a suggested website will pop right up, and I can click that where it will take me to my classroom. This student is already logged into her Google account, so all of her classes are showing that use Google Classroom. You're going to choose Computer Art 1, and from here, this is taking you to our classroom. There are multiple assignments posted and reference material. You'll notice the difference because it will say posted a new assignment or posted a new material. Material is when it is information that I want you to take a look at or use for reference. There's nothing that you need to submit here. An assignment, you might see reference material and an area to hand in your work. So today I'm going to show you how to hand in a classwork assignment. We're going to click on Tracing Classwork. And from here, again, you may see reference material posted, or sometimes it'll be more simple where it just says submit your work here. On the top right, this is where you'll submit your work. We're going to add a file. So we will click File because we're adding Adobe Illustrator files to our classroom. This window will pop up and allow you to drag the file or select it from your device. We'll select it from the computer. This will open another window where on your sidebar you have multiple options here: documents, downloads, pictures, your student ID, and computer art. All of your artwork should be in your computer art folder, so we will choose that, and then our options are available here. I'm going to choose this student's tracing classwork, and then I will choose Upload down at the bottom. As you see, it's uploading, and it will open to this window where now we have the option to turn in our work. It's very important that you finish this final step and hit Turn In. If you do not push Turn In, then your work has not fully been submitted to the classroom and it cannot be graded. So I'll hit Turn In. Again, it will prompt you to ask you, do you really want to turn in your work and submit this for grading? So we will hit Turn In, and the file will be uploaded. It now clearly says Turned In. You can click Computer Art 1, and this will take you back to your assignment list. You can always take a look back at anything that you need to hand in or go back and forth between assignments. And again, this will be where you'll see if you have actually submitted or turned in work. Here you'll see it says assigned, and if we go to tracing, you'll see we've turned in the work. So this is how you can navigate between your Google Classroom and ensure that you've turned in all of your assignments.